Writing algebraic expressions. This is the 6th grade version. So I've got also a 7th grade version that includes negative numbers, but this version does not. So the lesson starts with explaining what an expression is and what an algebraic expression is. So an algebraic expression would include one or more variables. And the next slide has some examples of expressions. You won't see an equal sign. And then here's some expressions in word form. So we want to teach the students how to change an expression from word form into a numerical form. We're going to start with some vocabulary terms on the next slide. So students are going to be moving these into place according to a column here. So they're going to move them into the correct column. So these words designate either addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. So they're just going to click and hold on the edge. If we have the term sum, that would be addition. So it's going to go in this column. Twice would mean multiplication. We're multiplying by 2. Product would also be multiplication, and so on. So they're going to move all of these terms into the correct columns. And on the previous slide, it tells them that there's going to be 5 in every column, so that should help them put those correctly. Now, slide 7, we have some expressions in word form, and we're going to move these next to the correct word form so that the two match. So we have x plus 2, the sum of x and 2. Twice a number is going to be 2x, so they just move these into place. The quotient of a number and 7, well, quotient is division and fractions are division. So each one of these are going to match. They're going to do the same thing on the next slide. 15 divided by x equal parts. The ratio of x to 7, that means the x is going to go first, so it wouldn't be this one. Excuse me, yeah, the quotient. The ratio of x to 7. And the quotient of 7 in a number, so that's where these two. These are a little bit tricky, so they're going to have to think on those. Half of a number, and so on. The next slide, they're going to actually type in the numerical expression. So 9 more than twice a number would be 2x plus 9. And they're going to do that with the rest of those, and then they've got more on slide 10. So when they get to slide 11, now they have a challenge problem. So you can make this extra credit if you like. They're going to read this, and they're going to see if they can type this numerically. And they get a little nice work at the end. So this is a digital lesson, writing algebraic expressions.